Hello everyone, welcome to Tech.js. Today, I am going to share an 5 effective way or step that help you to clean C drive or local disk C in Windows 10, and it will make your PC faster than previous time. And to do this you don't need to download any third-party software or any tools. The biggest advantage, these steps are 100% safe to your PC. So, let's start. Step 1. Clean temporary files. Temporary files take up space that could be used for other data or that could be left free, which helps your computer run faster. Temporary files slow down your computer and make it difficult to work sometimes. It can even be hard to perform basic operations. To start cleaning, go on this Start and click on the mouse right button, then choose Run from this menu. Now right temp and click OK. Site folder will open. Click on Continue and give permission. Now select these all file and delete them. Some files can be undeletable, just ignore them and delete the rest. Now again go Start menu and click on mouse right button and choose Run. Now write %temp% and click OK. If want any permission, just click Continue. In my case, no permission needed now. Now select these all files, click Ctrl+A to select all file. And now delete these all. Now the last cleaning method, again go on Start menu and click on mouse right button and choose Run. Now write prefetch and click OK. Give permission and click Continue. Now do the same thing, click Ctrl+A to select all and delete them all. Step 2. Clean recycle bin regularly. Deleted items are restored in recycle bin and it occupies space from local disk C. As we know, if local disk C gets full, the PC will perform slow. It is a good idea to empty the recycle bin on a regular basis because it frees up disk space for other files. Click on Recycle bin. Now click Ctrl+A to select all of these files. And now delete them all. Step 3. Uninstall unwanted programs. Programs you install on your PC not only take up valuable hard drive space, but they can also affect performance, particularly those that have components or processes that are set to run in the background all the time or automatically launch whenever you start your computer. So, uninstall all unwanted programs. It will help your PC to run smoothly. To do this, click the search bar and write Add or Remove Programs. Now open it. So, come down here and uninstall all of your unwanted programs. That all rests on you. Step 4. Optimize C drive. Optimize your PC's C drive because it will help your PC run smoother and boot up faster. By default, there is an inbuilt tool for Windows 10 which helps to analyze and optimize the drive. To optimize C drive, click on this PC, now go on local disk C and click mouse right button and choose Properties. Now go to Tools and click on Optimize. Now make sure you have selected C drive from here. Now come down and click on Optimize. It can take some times. So wait to complete and then close and OK. Step 5. Disk Cleanup. Disk cleanup helps free up space on your hard disk, creating improved system performance. Disk cleanup searches your disk and then shows you temporary files, internet cache files, and unnecessary program files that you can safely delete. You can direct disk cleanup to delete some or all of those files. To do this, click on the search bar and search disk cleanup. Now click on it. This process will scan your drive and open this window. Now check each of these options, and click on Cleanup System Files. It will perform to deep scan and will take some time. When opening this window, again check all of these options and click on OK in Delete Files. This process can take a long, but let it finish. Now you can check your C drive, it gets free space. That's all for today. If you like the video, then share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.